Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. Now we'll go through PowerShell commands. Before going to PowerShell commands, we need to launch PowerShell. For that, go to search, type PowerShell, and open it. I'm clicking on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now we're able to see PowerShell window. Our next command is get location. The get location command in PowerShell is used to retrieve the current working directory, which represents the location in the file system where we are currently positioned. The syntax is get -location. Now we'll go to PowerShell and we'll see this. Here we'll give get location and see what will happen. Get location. See, it displays the current working directory where we are in. Currently we are in a C drive. Within that Windows directory, within that System32 directory we are currently in, which represents the directory which we are currently in. So it retrieves the current working directory information where we are currently in. We can also use one more keyword to get this information, that is called PWD, present working directory information. So this one also gives the same result, but traditional command is get -location and PWD is the alias for get location command. These are all about get location.